We're students from Kluang High School. We're team J2S1.
My name is Lim Jing Hong.
My name is Lee Ge.
My name is Joyce. My name is Josephine Didi. My name is William Chong.
Nice to meet you.
What annoys you the most by coming school? Having books.
Shoes. Yes, shoes. And I also think shirts. Oh yes, shirt, yes.
Shoes and shirts for co-curriculum.
Will locker help for you? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So this is an user's table. To transform it to a locker, we need deserted boards, RFID reader, Arduino Uno board, solenoid lock, screw, and lastly door height.
Firstly, we will fix bolts on 3 surfaces of the disc by using screws and deserted bolts. Then, we will put a crossbar into it to separate the space into 4 equal parts. And it will be look like this. After that, we will shut the locker by using a board as a door and also hinges. So students can open the locker by scanning their students' cards.
Besides using crossbar, we will separate the space of locker like this. To make this locker, we will use a keyboard and a fretboard to separate the space. Lastly, we will stack up the locker and place it behind the classroom. So it will look like this.
Well, as you can see, this is a table for the budget of a unit of locker. It's about 306 ringgit and 20 cents only. It's far cheaper than any locker we can find on the market.